Right, hello everyone, welcome to an update on the weekly forecast, Wednesday the 4th of September. We're getting a lot of volume on the gold market, up and down, up and down. Links are all in the video description, go check them out if you haven't already. So, on Wednesday, what have we done so far this week? So, at the start of the week, we was looking for a bullish move. You can see this downwards move took the previous day, perfect reversal. Then we was expecting bullish movement from here, even though it's a bank holiday. Got that injection to the upside, takes the Asian session high and retest this manipulation area. Then we got taken out. Next day, we start to see bearish confirmation. Price pushes down once again, creates a near double bottom here with the previous daily low. Get a bullish move up, which is a retracement, and then you start to see the downwards continuation with the New York session. That's why you got this big downwards move, and all that's doing is moving from this manipulation area to the one further down, which is here, which I'll go over in a minute. So what we're getting is a nice downwards trend, which is made to catch people out, really, because you've got a lot of up and down movement, and people like to see a one directional move. When they start to see this, it confuses people. Are we buying or are we selling? So basically, the bigger companies are getting more positions into place by doing this instead of going in a straight line. Now we'll take off the period separators and go to the 4 hour time frame and just zoom out a bit. So what we have here is a lot clearer. Now we can drag this manipulation area across, and we're getting a retest of this area. Drag that along like that, something like that. So we're getting a retest of this consolidation area and a retest of this manipulation area by the downwards move. Because we are still in this consolidation range, we're still targeting the all-time high up here. So we just come down to the bottom of the range to then get into the buys. We have clear liquidity. Let's just label that up. We have clear liquidity here to target. That'll be one of my first targets there. And this is the all-time high, which is obviously the main target. Sorry about that. So the 4 hour time frame explains things a lot better. The big downwards move isn't a big downwards move in my opinion. It's just a retracement to the bottom of the range, and then we can get into buy positions to perform the true move, which is towards the upside. And that will be over the next few days with all the news that's going on. I think we got JOLTs today. Then I think we got PMI tomorrow. I may be wrong. And then we got Nonfarm Payroll on Friday, as we all know. That always carries a lot of volume with it. So by doing this, that would leave liquidity here. Get into buy positions early, and then we can just ride the news towards the upside. And that would be a clear way to enter buys. Create liquidity on the way down, input buy orders, and then continue towards the upside with all the news volume, because you want to get into those buy orders before the news volume kicks in. Then you can just hold the buys over the news, because there'll be nowhere near your entries. And that's what I'll be looking to do over the next day or two. That's what I'm looking to do today, get into the buy, and hopefully we're targeted this one by tomorrow, and then we can just continue up. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing on gold. Should be nice and clear for the next few days. Yeah, that's it. If we go over yesterday, we can just have a look at that. So yesterday I didn't really trade. We got the sell confirmation, but I didn't trade it. But why was there sell confirmation? The sell confirmation was there because the previous day on the bank holiday, you had this price action. You had the previous day low cleared. Then you started to see the bullish movement. We'd already gone a bit out of that manipulation area, so we was expecting that volume to continue. And then going into Tuesday, you'd expect a small retracement and then a continuation up. But we didn't get that. Price started to go up, took the internal liquidity, then came back down and went sideways. This shows weakness. Price then turned to the downside, took all this liquidity here and the previous low. Then you get a retracement and this is seen as a retracement because now you have a near equal low down here. You've broken the manipulation area, and I think if you go to a certain time frame, you can see here this manipulation area, which is this one here, is now being used to keep price down. So it's retesting that manipulation area to input orders. Already did it on Monday, and they did it again on Tuesday. So then you have support towards the downside, and you have clear targets towards the downside, and that's just moving towards the next manipulation area. So there you go. Hopefully that is a lot clearer. In scenarios like this, where you don't really have much manipulation areas on the smaller time frame, what I do is I focus on the smaller time frame. So as you can see here, it's not really clear areas you want to focus on. You've got this one here, which you're currently seeing bullish support from, but it'd be more the smaller time frame. You'd see some sort of consolidation along that to support that support. So what I'd be expecting here is some consolidation sideways, then a slow movement up, then the injection continues. And what that's doing is using that support but building on top of it instead of retracing to it. Hope that helps. Make sure you've got any questions. Links are in the video description.